Mahakavi Tulsidas, who is revered by Indian masses, revered माने होता है मतलब उनकी प्रशंसा की जाती है by Indian masses because of his insightful and erudite expression, wrote in रामचरितमानस। का बरसा जब कृषि सुखावे और समय चौकी पूनी का पछाने, समय चूकी पूनी का पछताने। What is the use of rain when crop failed due to lack of it? What is the use of rain when crop failed due to lack of it? Rumors cannot compensate for something which is not done correctly at correct time. At the time of Sita Swayamvar, Lord Ram said these lines to himself because he was aware of Sita's affection for himself. He understood that if he could not lift the holy Dhanush due to lack of effort or concentration, or if luck did not favor him, he would lose Sita forever. Whatsoever amount of valor or courage shown afterward or before this need of our will be in vain. मतलब आगे पीछे कुछ करने से कुछ नहीं होता है, जिस समय ज़रूरत होती है आपको उस समय करना पड़ेगा. लॉर्ड राम वॉज राइट. द टाइम टू रिपेयर द रूफ इज़ व्हेन द सन इज शाइनिंग. Also to give help is worthy only if it is given on time. The biggest disaster of 21st century COVID-19 disease was beforehand predicted by some scientists, seeing the pattern of epidemics like Ebola, MERS, SARS, etc. But still we was not prepared to handle it and help ourselves when need arose. Already cranky medical infrastructure came down crumbling with the increasing hospitalization. Medical infrastructure came down crumbling when increasing hospitalization. Exigencies will definitely come. That is why save for rainy days. Exigency will definitely come. That is why save for rainy day is an idiom taught to even school children. If we go by literal meaning, we can see that how not being prepared for a rainy day due to cyclone like Biparjoy is weakening the havoc of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Recent train accident in Odisha is also an example of similar negligence where anti-collision techniques like covers was not deployed beforehand on the track. Any amount of rescue operation could not bring back the dead. At the global level, global warming and climate change are the issues that have a potential to destroy Earth if not checked timely. We need to move towards renewable energy and limit carbon emission to the level of pre-industrial revolution era. Otherwise, Earth will not remain habitable. We need to help Mother Earth before nature plead to destroy it. देखो, we need to help Mother Earth before nature pleads to destroy us. Even in interpersonal relation, one has to act constantly and timely to let dissatisfaction not crop up. A leader is one who understands this thing, and any family, society or nation progress under him or her. When we start falling to act timely and let the problems proliferation, it become a time bomb. For example, with the increasing number of female feticides during 80s or 90s, the sex ratio started getting distorted. With half-hearted effort like lax implementation of PCP and DT Act, today we stand at a sex ratio of only 9:43. If the situation is not controlled with intensive effort like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, violence against women will keep increasing. Similarly, if a student does not toil for the whole of year or a sports person does not practice for years, last time effort or panic cannot bring results. Neeraj Chopra practiced for years, only then he could clinch a gold in Olympic. That is why in the military, mock drill and practices remain on and on even during peacetime, so that fitness, जैसे military mock drill practices remain on even during peacetime, so that fitness, discipline and skill of soldiers remain on point if war happened. Taliban was able to take hold of Afghanistan in Jeffy as soon as US troops withdrawal in 2021 because Afghan soldier was corrupt and ill prepared for war. War tactics and skill require discipline which cannot be cultivated without mock drill. Those who sweat in peace do not bleed in. Those who sweat in peace do not bleed in war. Having discussed enough about the necessity of taking the right step at the right time, now question arises: what factor can deter a person or institution from showing such insightfulness? Deterrence क्या है? Answer could be many. पहला है lethargy, lack of innovation, indisciplined approach, dogmatic belief, lack of common sense, scientific temperament. Solution lies in having a constant vigilant and quality check over ourselves. For example, in the field of polity and governance, we can see examples of two countries like India and Pakistan. On 15 August 1947, both countries entered into nascent nationhood after 2 centuries of colonial exploitation. However, on first hand, India chose a political system based on justice, liberty, fraternity, fundamental right and responsible governance with the directive principle of state policy. While on other hand, Pakistan chose jingoism, religious fanatism instead of freedom, personality cult over scientific temperance, cops and corruption instead of rule of law. अच्छा, religious Pakistan choose jingoism, religious fanatism instead of freedom. ठीक है, personality cult over scientific temperance or cops and corruption instead of the rule of law. The result over the time span of 75 years is not very surprising. Today, Pakistan is on the path of pleading bankruptcy in front of international institutions, and India is the 5th largest economy of the world. India understood the importance of taking action before things go out of hand. समय चूकी पूनी का पछताने. समय चूक गया पूनी का पछताने. बाद में क्या पछताना? There are several other examples of acting timely in helping oneself and others and reaping extraordinary result. The desert of Rajasthan have oases of villages where rainwater harvesting is done through meticulous planning before rain. India timely intervention to help Bangladesh win freedom stopped blood wars and created a peaceful neighborhood in 71. Patience is required to bring things on track or even to keep things on track. ठीक है. Rome was not built in a day. Was not built in a day. Things in making require timely intervention, constant support, and patience. A child, if not given nourishment during infancy, will not be able to cope up throughout the life, howsoever nutrition it get during adulthood. ठीक है. We need to keep a check on child nutrition every day. Only then it will turn out to be healthy and sufficient adult. Everything that is depend on us to make it extraordinary should be akin to a child to us. Whatever is our job, relationship, country, or value, we need to take care of it and constantly strive towards making it excellence through our timely intervention and effort. Only then we can claim ourselves to be a loyal citizen or friend. Who does not act like का वर्षा जब कृषि सुखाने. ठीक है. पढ़ो फारसी बेचो तेल. देखो, reports nowadays are rife with the news of unemployment and related woes. Recently in Uttar Pradesh, over 93,000 candidates, including PhD holder, postgraduate, and engineers, lawyers, have applied for peon job that have a eligibility of class 5. It is like a real life example of proverb पढ़े फारसी बेचे तेल. During the reign of Mughal Empire, the intellectuals like Abdul Fazl, Faizi, Dara Sukhoi, etc. compiled texts of prominence on multidisciplinary subject like जैसे कि ये देखो अबुल फजल, फैजी, दारा सुखाए, all compiled texts of prominence on multidisciplinary subject जैसे history, philosophy, science, methodology in Persian language. Persian was the court language and language of learned people in the same manner as English is considered the language of elite today or Sanskrit, Latin, Greek in ancient time. ठीक है. Anyone who had intellect or situation to study Persian was not supposed to do menial job like selling oil, except due to ill-fated destiny or declining socio-economic condition of society as it happened after event of European companies or ruin of economy. However, in today's India, with an unemployment rate of over 8%, the topic find relevance again. Apart from lagging manufacturing and predominantly informal and unorganized service sector, Indian agriculture is also a classic case of disguised unemployment and low productivity, which is primarily reason for poverty in rural areas since agriculture employ कर रही है 60% of Indian population. Such condition also reflect the issue in reaping benefit of our demographic dividend. The window begins in 2018 when the working age population began to grow larger than its dependent population. Child age 14 years or below and child above 65 years of age. It is expected to live for 37 years until 2050. However, lack of ample availability of productive employment and capability to make use of available technology may turn India's demographic dividend into demographic disaster. High education in India poses similar question on quantity without quality syndrome. There is mushrooming of degree shops, but lesser employability of graduating students. According to World Economic Forum, 30 million According to World Economic Forum, of 13 million, मतलब 1.3 करोड़ people who join India's workforce each year, only 1 in 4 management graduate, 1 in 5 engineering, and 1 in 10 graduate are employable. भाई साहब, मतलब 1 in 4 management professional, 1 in 5 engineers और 10 and 1 in 10 graduates are employable. Gross enrollment ratio of women students, although increasing, is not resulting in proportionate workforce, as female workforce participation ratio is merely 23%. This attributes to societal mindset of patriarchy and women leaving the workforce post-marriage. The problem also lies in mindset of security, due to which we need to approach the job. There are seemingly more secure, say, government job. Security mostly lead to stagnation, as we as a society become afraid of change. Thus, reason could be myriad, but result are justifying the proverb "Pade Farsi beche tel." However, we need to consider different perspective also. Is it really bad to study Farsi and sell tel? That is to be employed in seemingly menial job involving trade and services despite having higher education? The answer come out to be no. If we see Jeff Bezos, who built Amazon, or Sachin and Bunny Bansal, who built Flipkart, the platform which sell household items as billionaires. Even in ancient time, Vaisyas come out as a more influential caste during 6th century, thus patronizing new religion, and Gujaratis in modern time as spearheader of trade despite not being professors. Sorry. In modern time, with growing urbanization, as cycle of caste-based occupation is breaking, we see educated people doing various kind of job, albeit applying their own innovation in which their education is helping. For example, Shankar Mahadevan, who was an engineer by education, could become a celebrated musician because he applied technology along with creativity. Many people who are highly educated are able to showcase their talent on social media because singing and dances are no longer considered menial or uneducated people's job. Apart from this, we need to question the elitist vanity that physical work is lesser than mental work. Those who study Farsi are doing superior than those who are selling tel. Here, the ideas of Gandhi ji find a mention, who always believed in dignity of labor. Be placed utmost importance to manual work. In the dream of Gram Swaraj, he visualized everyone, including the rich and poor, actively engaging in manual labor. ठीक है. In fact, he did not believe in separating knowledge and work, and he even promoted a curriculum called Nai Talim based on this pedagogical principle. He wanted every worker in village to get educated and empowered to create a clean and safe community. Understanding the importance of such factor in education, even the government of India has integrated education with required skills in everyday life through New Education Policy 2020. New Education Policy has proposal to introduce vocational education from 6th grade onwards. It is anticipated that New education policy will not only reduce the social stigma associated with considering vocation as a career opportunity, but also provide student a plethora of promising career avenue. Therefore, in nutshell, we can conclude while unemployment or disguised unemployment is indeed a big problem for New India, but approach need to be changed towards a so-called menial job. Solution lies in focusing on innovation and developing skills while improving employability through higher education remain a challenge. The new world in post-COVID era and the new world in post-COVID era in midst of industrial revolution 4.0 require the alignment of higher education curriculum, upskilling practices and training techniques. Transformation through education should begin with the transformation in education system. Massification of higher education with quality and equity will enable socio-economic mobility. Education need to shift from passive learning to hand-on experience. We need to move from conventional chalk stock to digital learning platform. Chalk stock stall. Democratizing of knowledge should be our utmost objective so that disguised employment and unemployment is eliminated and पड़े फारसी बेचे तेल become obsolete. जिन खोजा तिन पाया घरे पानी पेट गहरे पानी पेट जिन खोजा तिन पाया देखो प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ was having a cozy life in the confine of palace with plenty of servant and object of desire. Prince Siddharth was having a cozy life in confine of palace with plenty of servant and object of desire, but they do not enough to captivate him because he want to search for meaning of life. One night he left the palace and went on for years in the jungle in quest of spiritual awakening, until one fine day he achieves the nirvana. Buddha's journey signifies जिन खोजा तिन पेया गहरे पानी पेट. A famous couplet of Hindi language often attributed to renowned Hindi poet Kabir Das. It can be translated to English as those who search find treasure even in deep water. Those who search find treasure even in deep water. To search for a pearl one has to dive deep in the water. ठीक है. This couplet encapsulate a profound spiritual message suggesting that those who embark on a sincere quest or search, whether for knowledge, truth, enlightenment or even material things, will ultimately discover valuable and meaningful insight even in most challenging circumstances. It encourages individuals to preserve and explore the depth of their pursuit as the reward lie within their search. ठीक है. Human history is replete with examples across various fields when this sincere quest and search transformed not only an individual or community life but changed the course of whole world. Galileo invented the telescope and supported the heliocentric model of देखो जो Galileo invented the telescope and supported the heliocentric model of solar system after numerous careful observation of solar system over years, challenging the prevailing genocentric view and paved the way for scientific revolution. Fundamentally challenging the prevailing geocentric, मतलब हमारी जो पृथ्वी है वो सेंटर पे है और सूरज घूम रहा है। Geocentric view and pay the way for scientific revolution, fundamentally changing our understanding of universe. Gandhi, through his experiment with truth, mastered the art of satyagraha by meticulous planning and execution. Started from South Africa and lasting for 5 decades, thus helped not only India but the world to end colonialism. Similarly, ये हो गया, ठीक है। देखो, those who search find treasure even in deep water, ठीक है। Similarly, if we see our day-to-day life, we can see good student preserving hard work to understand the lesson by studying and revising complex theories and concept many times. An artist master his art by doing multiple experiments before finalizing one. A poet or a writer creates a beautiful piece of literature only when he has already studied a lot thought about topic critically. A journalist is considered good only when he has capacity and patience of delving deep into the issue at the hand. Even at individualistic level, if one want to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal development, they need to explore their own emotions, confront past trauma, and seek wisdom from different sources. In process, they may encounter difficult memories and experiences, but by delving deep into their own psyche and emotions, they will unearth insight and understand that lead to personal growth and transformation. Thus, from the above example, if we enlist the qualities and attributes that are required to embark on a journey of spiritual quest and search, and we find them to be patience, perseverance, diligence, curiosity, open-mindedness, determination, courage, adaptability, and resilience. Abraham Lincoln showed perseverance when he got defeated in 52 elections. Before he elected the president of, he shows perseverance when he got defeated in 52 election before he was elected the president of United States and become the greatest one till now. Thomas Edison lab containing thousands of inventions. हाँ, ये हमको ध्यान है। देखो, Thomas Edison lab containing thousands of his invention got burned when the next morning Edison was quoted in New York Times as saying, although on the next day, when next morning Edison was quoted in New York Times as saying, although I am over 67 years, I will start all over again tomorrow. Showing a perfect example of courage. In our mythology, we find Karna from Mahabharata as an example of determination, who perfected the art of archery through his own hard work, but also showed courage to fight against caste discrimination in society hand on. ठीक है। Para-Olympian are example of showing resilience to perfect their sport despite being Divyang. Para-Olympian, ठीक है। In today's context, the importance of such spiritual quest and search for truth is even more required because we are living in post-truth world and franchised internet era where mind was hate speech, ठीक है, where mind was vague hate speech, fake news can exploit psychological vulnerability and lead to global menace of terrorism. Other important threats to world environmental destruction and arms race can also only be averted if contesting parties indulge themselves into greater good through spiritual quest. With the advent of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and increasing digital and social divide, governments, society, individual, every stakeholder should embark the journey of such spiritual quest. It can be achieved through development of scientific temper, being less reactive but more responsive towards problem, more resilient infrastructure, so that inclusivity is maintained and when there is more cohesion in society. For this, all stakeholders need to go घरे पानी पैथ गहरे गहरे हैं गहरे नहीं गहरे पानी पैथ. In conclusion, we can say that whether the realm of spirituality, scientific discovery, social movement, artistic endeavors, or personal growth, the common thread is sincere quest and search for truth and enlightenment. Those who venture into the depth of their pursuit face challenges head on and remain committed to their goals are ones who uncover vulnerable treasure, transform themselves and often leave lasting impact on world around them. By embracing the values encapsulated in couplet, we can navigate the complexity of our world and discover meaningful insight even in deepest water. जैसी बाहें बयार पीठ पूनी तैसी कीजिए. One must act according to situation. जैसी बाहें बयार पीठ जैसी बाहें बयार पीठ पूनी तैसी कीजिए. When the wind of strong blow, some people build walls and other build windmills. Chinese proverb है. When winds of change blow, some people build walls and other builds windmills. The proverb जैसी बाहें बयार पीठ पुनी तैसी कीजिए और Chinese proverb mentioned above describe the importance of adaptability to the changing situation. Even the theory of evolution, which explain the superiority of human species or survival and extinction of different species, suggest adaptability as the key reason behind such phenomena. Species have to adapt to their environment if they want to keep their gene alive. It is not the strongest or the most it is not the strongest and most intelligent who will survive, but those who can best manage change, said by Charles Darwin. Adapt or perish. Now as ever is nature's inexorable imperative. Adapt or perish. Now as even nature's now as ever is nature's inexorable imperative. It is often necessary to adapt and act in accordance with situation we encounter. Life is dynamic and circumstances can change rapidly. Our ability to assess and respond appropriately to different situations is crucial for personal growth, success, and maintaining positive relationship with others. Intelligence goes beyond intelligence. It is often necessary to adapt and act in accordance with the situation we encounter. Life is dynamic and circumstances can change rapidly. Our ability to assess and respond appropriately to different situations is crucial for personal growth, success, and maintaining positive relationship with others. Intelligence goes beyond knowledge or intellectual capabilities. It includes it includes ability to learn, adapt, and thrive in changing world. A smart individual understand the value of flexibility, embrace new ideas, and are willing to adjust their approaches to achieve success in different situations. For example, during India's freedom struggle, it was smartness of Mahatma Gandhi to educate masses first about perils of political, economic, and mental slavery instead of going by traditional route of prayer, petition, or violent mean that ensured independence. Adapting to the situation involved being aware of current context, considering the availability, considering the available option, and making decision based on what is more appropriate or effective in that particular moment. ठीक है. It require flexibility, open mindedness, and willingness to adjust our approach as needed. For the same reason, India adopted the policy of liberalization, globalization, and privatization when we were in middle of economic crisis of 1991. In the Indian Constitution, due to foresightedness of our constitution makers, was adopted fundamental right DPSPs based on constitutional morality according to need of changing world which keep the integrity of India intact. We can consider another example. The world most successful company thrived because they could perceive what the future had to store. Nokia perished despite once being most successful mobile company, but Samsung innovated and become world leader in even smartphone segment. While it is important to have a general set of principle or value that guide our action, rigidly striking to an predetermined plan or mindset may not always yield the best outcomes. Rigidly striking to old ways of life like discrimination towards women, caste and color based discrimination is the prime reason for proliferation of disturbed society. Instead, those society which move towards more liberal system adopted innovation as a way of life are the world most peaceful and progressive societies like Scandinavian countries. However, it is also essential to strike a balance between adaptability and consistency. देखो, acting solely in response to external circumstances without a clear sense of personal value or principle can lead to inconsistency and lack of direction. It is important to maintain a sense of integrity and stay tuned to universal values. Sense of integrity and stay true to universal values while adapting our strategy or method as the situation demands. Otherwise, things may backfire. For example, due to greed and hedonism, we are now changing our environment to suit our needs. But so-called development cannot remain sustainable. Instead, it may lead to destruction of life from Earth. Also, not all odds need to be discarded. While adaptability and openness to change are important, it is essential to recognize the value and wisdom that can be found in old ideas, traditions, and experience. For example, with time we left eating millets and thus start losing variety of superfood. As said by J.R.R. Tolkien, the old that is strong does not wither. Deep roots are not reached by the frost. The old that is strong, does not wither. Deep roots are not reached by frost. In summary, we can say that adaptability is crucial in navigating changing situation. It involves assessing the context, being flexible and adjusting approach. While consistency and integrity are important, there is value in recognizing the wisdom of past. Striking a balance between adaptability consistency is key for personal growth and societal progress. It is crucial to remember that adaptability should not be confused with abandoning all that is old or valuable. Instead, it should involve a thoughtful evaluation of situation, embracing positive change while also respecting and preserving the wisdom and tradition that have stood the test of time. By striking this balance, we can create a more harmonious, sustainable future while building upon the foundation of past. खेती राज रजाए, खेती भीख मंगाए. ठीक है. अधगल जेगरी छलकत जाए, सब धान 22 बसे.